will not be there. La, 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 bang, bang, bang. Bang. That was not
Yeah.
Oh, double!
Woo!
Lots of money, yeah? It's like, my video will suck so. I've numbness in my heart. Oh, it was.
Woo!
Oh, Rice Krispies! Oh, Saddam Hussein. There's like fireworks for 10 minutes.
Yeah, I don't know if I can hold this for 10 minutes.
Ouch!
That's a big one.
Oh, my crack is ow! Look at my crack.
Oh, yeah.
Ouch! It's so tight. Happy Canada Day! Joyeuse Canada de la journée, whatever it's called. Bonne fête du Canada!
Du Canada.
Du Canada, not joyeuse bonne fête du Canada. Oh, that was a big one. Je vous souhaite une bonne fête du Canada. Je vous souhaite un joyeux anniversaire du Canada. Bonne fête Canada. Happy birthday Canada. I really miss you. See you next July 1st, 2011. Just before the end of the world.
Yeah.
That was that. Oh no. Oh, it's beautiful. I love red wine. As long as it's free. I love it.
As long as it's free.
Your video is much better than mine. Woo! That costs just $10.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so cool. I don't even watch them. Yay! Woo! Miss Cherries looks. Le grand finale.
Hey.
Oh yeah, my legs. don't even see them.
Yeah.
I paid for my entrance.
Yeah. I pay my taxes.
Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
After 10 minutes of renting
Woo!
But that was just $5.
No, sorry.
Sorry about that.
Seriously.
Just for cancellation if le peuple est là français. Je voulais dire que ce volant était pas très beau et qu'il n'y avait pas beaucoup d'argent.
L'argent pour les fireworks comme ça.
D'artifice.
Oui.
The final is in 3 minutes. I don't
I was
think
gonna
I
say.
have enough memory.
I don't know if I'll be able to hold my arm up that long.
Oh, mine is not too bad.
But you have le fence pour le rester.
J'ai la couture pour la tenir mon bras.
Wait, wait.
Oh, mon bras pour mes tétons. Mon bras pour mes... Oh, there's a fire over there. Preparation is easy. The scene and the fireworks. The element and the fireworks. And the scene. I can't feel my feet anymore. Oh, that's hard to stop.
Wait.
I'm so tired of holding a fucking cell phone. Only 1 minute 15 seconds left.
15 seconds.
And up and down, and up and down. 1 minute left. Woo! 59, 58, 56, 55, 54. There's an handicap contest here. It's going on right now. No, I'm sorry. Happy Canada La Coque Day! I love you guys. I like being in Ontario. It's my favorite city. With Mr. Burton.
Wait.
We drank that Gatorade all night, but we put wine in it. That was more and powerful. Oops, what did I do? I think the final
Oui, je pense que c'est le...
better be because Tintin is tired. I guess we should just catch the bus right now.
Wait.
Pause. Bye. Thank you very much for your